Good morning everyone. I am teacher Atya from Playgroup and today we are going to learn a new letter and its letter E, A. E, A. Okay students, here I want to explain a little thing. Before that we have learned letter A. The sounds are same but the way to call them is little bit different. Like when we say A, it's a little stretched voice like A, and when we say E, it's a little short sound like E, It's just like a rubber band. When we stretch it, stretched like this, and when we leave it, it gets like this, okay, E, E, Now everyone sing the song of letter E, with me. Let's start. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the eggs like this, Okay, now we are going to learn the vocabulary of letter E, Everyone repeat after me. E, eagle. E, eagle. E, 8. E, 8. E, egg. E, egg. E, elephant. E, elephant. E, engine. E, engine. Now students, I am going to tell you a very interesting story about E, and it is a story about an elephant. This is a story about an elephant and his name was Ellie, and his name was Ellie the elephant. Ellie the elephant has big 2 ears. Ellie the elephant has big 2 ears and 2 small eyes and 1 big trunk. Ellie has a friend and his name is Elu. Elu the eagle. Elu the eagle. One day they went for an engine ride. When they came back home, Ellie's mother gave them eggs to eat. After that, Ellie went home back. It is night time now. Ellie goes to sleep and he counts 8 sheep in his dream. Is this a nice story? Do you like it? So now everyone repeat the friends one time more with me. E, elephant. E, elephant. E, eagle. E, eagle. E, engine. E, engine. E, egg. E, egg. E, 8. E, 8. Now students, we will do the reading from our communicative English book. Okay, let's do read with me. Now everyone open your Sephora communicative English book and you have to open the page number 10. Which page number? It's page number 10 and we are going to do the reading of letter E, letter E, Everyone repeat after me. It's E, 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 engine. E, engine. E, elephant. E, elephant. E, egg. E, egg. E, egg. Now everyone sing the song of E, with me. Engine, elephant, rabbit eats egg. A, 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 a. Okay, now everyone do the reading at home again and again.